That's it. We're taking ownership of our energy 10 minutes at a time with low impact, movement that matters. Let's get started right away. Just a nice bend, twist, twist, side, side. Bend, twist, twist, side, side. Find a nice flow that works for you. Let's just get the body warmed up, feeling good. Get as deep as you can into each twist, each bend. And we are gonna feel like $1,000,000 after this session. Our daily session, movement, it helps us build incredible mobility, strength, balance, consistency and discipline, but really we're taking ownership of our mindset, of our energy. We cannot control 99.9% of things. What we do have control over is our attitude. Let's pick a good one today, as we do every day. It is a beautiful, rainy morning. The rain doesn't stop us. One more. Yes. Okay, open up the chest. Just move about your space. Real intentional movement. Swing those arms with real vigor. Get the shoulders nice and warm. I have my trusty chair here. Grab a chair if it's nearby. We're gonna use it. A couple exercises today as we continue building this amazing strength. Oh, shake those arms out. Are you ready? Okay, chair. Just a few step ups. We always want to just boost our mood and elevate our energy every single day. We show up. We don't let what's out of our control affect what's going on. What if we woke up every day, no matter what the weather was doing, it's like, oh, amazing. Weather is a great starting off place to not let what's outside of us affect what's going on the inside. Step up as high as you can. Maybe you get above your chair. Maybe you don't need the chair. You just swing the arms. Again, real intentional movement. Engage the core. Whoa. Watch the balance. Come on now, Drew. Brilliant. And let's come back. On the balls of the feet, just shake that out. Wide, 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 wide. As wide as you can comfortably go. All right? Let's build some flexibility. Fingers really wide apart. We're gonna twist here for a moment. A couple of those. Beautiful for the spine. Now, come on down. Windmill, flat back if you can. Bend the knees if needed. It's all about showing up here. There's a little bit of movement. Take action where you can. You're feeling down. You're feeling a little blue. What does 5 minutes of walking do when you get outside to change that? Really think of taking ownership of your energy. Come on up. Oh. Okay. So, swing the arms really big circles and come up on to your tippy toes. Building balance. Engage your core. Woo. And hopefully this is a little fun too. Lift off. And then we're gonna go backwards and try to come onto your heels. Just lift the toes up ever so slightly. And just notice. It's a little tricky. That's good. Calf strength, core stability, balance, mobility. It's all there. A couple more. How about it? Give yourself some hugs. We're moving fast and fierce. We want to elevate our energy, boost our mood. Just a nice. We're going to step to the side for a moment. You can slow it down always. I feel as though I might have to pick it up as the rain starts to pick up. Oh, we're good. Okay, add a nice twist. Find a nice flow that works for you. Can look differently for you. But just move. Movement is the foundation of my health. I hate to say what it is for everybody, but I know when I move my body, particularly first thing in the morning, I just feel better about myself. I judge others less. I make better food choices. Quality of my sleep is enhanced. It allows me to find moments of stillness. Connect to that is which is greater than I. Whoa. And to find peace and contentment, real happiness. Happiness is the way. No matter what the weather offers us. Stretch it, yes. Ooh, mama. There it is. Last one. Real, hold it, just hold there for a second. Not bad, eh? Okay. We have our chair. We've been building amazing upper body strength. Let's just hold this plank on your chair. If you can come to the floor, that's great. The wall is amazing also. I just want to do some leg lifts. So engage your core. We're building great mobility in the lower body. We'll continue to build that amazing upper body strength, core stability, and just go with this. Hopefully I have a flat back. That is my intention. We don't want to get up like this too much. Flat back. Just go for it. Get that leg, maybe it's like this for you. That's fine. But find your edge. Get that leg up as high as you can. 3, 2, 1. And if you want to add a couple push-ups, I think that's a terrific idea. Oh, we feeling good? Remember to comment at the end. Let me know how this went. If you have an idea, if there's something you want to work on, please let me know. I'm always up for feedback, criticism, why not? But if there's something you really want me to present, I'd be happy to do it. I'm here to serve. This is our channel, our community. Okay, enough talk, right? Last exercise before we go. Toes are pointing out. Okay, let's challenge ourselves a bit. Sink down. Come on up. Go as low as you can. And to the side. Amazing strength in the legs. Abs of steel. Oh, right, we come up. Just do a few of these just to finish off so that we take ownership of our energy and feel amazing throughout our day. Okay, you can come up if you like, or what about sinking just a little bit deeper and side to side? Okay, and up. Bounce that out. Yes. You have ownership of your energy now. Your energy is here where maybe it was here. I hope so. Let's just take a moment. You know how much I love movement. Move so you can have those moments of stillness. Most people can't sit in a room on their own and just be with their thoughts. When we find that ability, it enhances our lives so greatly, and we start to notice that monkey mind. So just notice right now. Maybe we can listen to the rain, the birds, and just be here for just a moment. Oh, life is grand. Well done. Thank you for showing up. You matter so much. One great way to take back your energy. Don't allow yourself to get dragged into arguments that ultimately don't matter. A great way to own your energy. We don't need to be right all the time. Argument, okay, no problem. Let it be. Don't engage in arguments that don't serve you and just suck your energy away. Watch out for those energy vampires that draw all your energy away, and just let them be, do their thing. Rise above it. Thank you so much for being here. I feel amazing now. Enjoy the rain today. See you tomorrow.